माननीय श्री हर्ष महाजन, डिमांड टू स्ट्रेंथन द इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर ऑफ सिविल एविएशन इन हिमाचल प्रदेश.
Thank you, Honorable Deputy Chairman. In this year's budget, government has outlined an ambitious plan to upgrade civil aviation and improve connectivity in various regions of our country. While I wholeheartedly appreciate these forward-looking initiatives, I must draw attention to some similar urgent need in our state of Himachal Pradesh. Himachal Pradesh, celebrated for its breathtaking natural beauty and serene environment, thrives on tourism, which is a vital pillar of its economy. However, our unique mountainous terrain poses significant challenges to connectivity. This is not an issue for influx. This is not only an issue for influx of tourists eager to experience our state's charm, but also a matter of daily life for our residents, especially those living in vast tribal areas where connectivity remains a struggle. At present, civil aviation infrastructure in Himachal Pradesh is not keeping in pace with our development needs. Our existing airports require renovations and enhanced facilities to cater to the rising demand. Furthermore, the frequency of flights needs to be increased at all operational airports to ensure both local communities and visitors can travel with ease. In addition to these measures, I strongly advocate the initiation of regular helicopter services to serve the remote and difficult to reach areas of our state. Currently, each district is equipped with a helipad. However, these facilities need to be renovated and brought up to the modern standards so that they can function as reliable lifelines for connectivity. Honorable Deputy Chairman, while we appreciate the government's proactive stance as demonstrated in the current budget, it is imperative that similar initiatives be extended to Himachal Pradesh. Strengthening of civil aviation infrastructure not only will bolster the tourism but also improve the quality of life for citizens by ensuring more efficient and widespread connectivity. I therefore respectfully urge the government to consider the proposals for immediate action so the Himachal Pradesh may fully benefit from the nation's commitment to enhance regional connectivity and sustainable development. Thank you.
Thank you. माननीय श्री संजय